Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today everybody, we have our sautéed bok choy recipe. Everybody, all the ingredients is what you just saw in the beginning of this tutorial, but we're going to go ahead and do this. We went on and washed our bok choy, cut them accordingly, put them in some nice olive oil on the stove, everybody, to saute it perfectly. Okay, we also added chopped onion in it. Now, we love onions in our stuff, everybody. You can eliminate the onions if you want to, but this is what we do, okay? This is what it looks like when it's roughly chopped up nicely. And then we're going to go ahead and saute it down. Now, one thing about when we use this, it does shrink quickly, okay? It's going to shrink to really basically nothing. So you're going to have plenty of bok choy if you want it for the family, okay, everybody? Now, I went on and did this because the steam was on the, screen here, but we want to make sure everything's all good. So we're going to, toss it around, everybody. Make sure it's all nicely coated. And we have it like on a medium heat, okay? And remember, it cooks really fast. It's just vegetables, everybody, okay? We're going to add in some more of this to make it, because it's shrunk down. And we're going to add that and just swish it around a little bit more and make sure it's all good. Grandmother, sometimes when we go to the Chinese restaurants, they have the, bok choy, garlic bok choy. Oh, yes, our favorite. But now they charge so much money. I was like, you know what? Let's make our own. We're going to show you guys how to do it, okay? We're going to show you how to save money. This is great for romantic evenings. Nice light dinner. And if you want to have it like with your roasting your steak or whatever it may be, or fish or whatever, this is the most perfect thing to add into it, everybody, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and add in some of the flavors. This is what does it, okay? We have our soy sauce. We have our better than bouillon roasted garlic base right there, everybody. We have also minced garlic. These are the 3 ingredients that we're going to add into this wonderful thing, except the onion. That's 4, okay? Now, we're going to add in some of the better than bouillon. We're going to add in some more, okay? So we're going to add in about, for this type of skillet, we have a nice 16-inch skillet. We're going to add in about a good tablespoon of this stuff right here, everybody. This is the goody, everybody, okay? This is what seals the deal of that roasted garlic flavor. And we don't have to add no salt, everybody, because we already have enough salt in the base and also in the soy sauce. Now we're going to add some chopped garlic. Now you see everything is already sauteed. We're going to add the chopped minced garlic in there as well because we don't want it to burn, okay? We always add that last, everybody, okay? Now we're going to add the soy sauce. We're just going to drizzle it around, everybody. You don't need a whole bunch. It's just the flavor. You're going to have the flavors. Yes, everybody, the flavors what makes it pop. Yeah, if you want to make your kids eat vegetables, this is how you do it. You saute it up and make it with good old taste of goody and flavors. Nobody likes salt and pepper, okay? Salt and pepper is boring. We're going to get this to make pow to your mouth and your flavors, everybody, and to your date as well. Grandmother. Okay. So as you see, we had kicked up the heat there, and we're going to go ahead and turn it off, everybody, because it's really already done. It's very easy. It cooks less than 10 minutes, 15 minutes max, but this is something that's simply delicious. You don't have to cook your bok choy that long, everybody, okay? It's just perfect. Look at this. Look at all the flavors. Just makes it run through your mouth. It's so simply delicious, and it saves you a lot of money. Now, if you like what you see, follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more. We'd like to thank Fairies Dust for following us and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our yellow table. There is always room for more, everybody. Oh, most definitely. And you know what? We're going to have some romantic more foods that's going to be coming up soon for these nice cold winter months ahead. Oh, yes. See you guys soon. We love you. Bye. Bye, you guys.